Butter or margarine? What's the difference? Butter is made from dairy cream, while margarine is usually made from vegetable oils. Butter is a natural dairy product that has a richer flavor and contains more saturated fat. Margarine is a processed plant-based spread. It is often lower in saturated fat and may contain added vitamins. For cooking and baking, they can often be used interchangeably, but butter generally provides a richer taste. Butter has been made for thousands of years, with evidence of its use dating back to ancient civilizations around 2000 BCE. Margarine was invented in 1869 by French chemist Hippolyte Mège-Mouriès as a lower-cost alternative to butter. Which one do you prefer on your toast in the morning? What about baking? Do you use butter or margarine? Let us know in the comments. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. See you on the next one.